your girl,
Layla. It's your girl, Michaela. And now we're at cosmetology.
at hair school with our scrubs on. But it's cold, so
Gotta keep the jacket.
keep that jacket on. But I'm gonna show y'all when we was cutting our hair. We did a ball fade.
Yes, we did. And we got 4 credits.
4 credits for it.
We got Zoom and lifestyle, period. Scrubs.
Upcoming hairstylist job, period. Get
Oh,
it.
yeah, get it.
Booked by Layla, Sly Princess Layla, aka Sly Princess Layla, aka
But
Layla.
by Kaylee here, period.
Okay, y'all, so now I just have to fix my hair, snatch my bite off, and show y'all how it look. My skin be glowing this flashlight. Come here, Michaela. If y'all tour, cause we got like a wax room. Get them armpits waxed. We got a wax room. Then we got a wax room, like a lash room, I think, a bathroom, of course, and then yeah, that's my necklace. That's my scrubs. And then I feel like I'm the only person with a coat on because I'm cold, y'all. I be cold, like I can walk around cold. And then it's nothing under this shirt, but yeah. Now I just gotta fix my hair. That's about it. Y'all look at this. Everybody doing ball fades to get extra credits. Y'all probably don't even understand that. But yeah. And then I'm gonna show y'all the stuff I brought from home. The stuff I brought from home. I got my purse in here. And then my 2 chargers. But I'm gonna do, let me just show y'all. Why I got apple juice in here still? But okay, I got my brush. I got my wig brush. Then y'all know I got to have that, got to be. I got to have that, got to be.
Upcoming YouTuber. Well, Layla's the YouTuber.
Then we got the wax stick. Y'all all my backpack. Oh, there's my AirPod case. I swear I lose this at least twice a week. Y'all, look at my Dior perfume. Can y'all see? Look at my Dior perfume I got for Christmas. It's the mini one. I got a big size one, but I'm not bringing that to school. I'm gonna just bring the mini one, of course, because it's mini. Right. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. It's so adorable. It's a perfume. It's so creepy. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna snatch this off and show y'all how my wig look. That's why I like this hair school, because when you wake up in the morning and don't feel like doing all that stuff to your hair, boo, just go to hair school. And when you're done with all your stuff, you literally can just do your hair at the end of the day and work on yourself and get dressed. And I brought a Bluetooth piece to wear with my pink curls, because they got like glue in it. But yeah, I'm finna speed this up and show y'all me fixing my hair. It's gonna be time. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, the hair is done. I fixed it up. Yeah, hair done, and I just need to change it to my Bluetooth piece I got. And then my Uggs, and then my big old black coat. So yeah. Upcoming hairstylist, period. Y'all come get at me. Come get at me. And Michaela. We can do some upcoming hairstylists, lash tech, waxers, all of that. We learning all of that. Yeah. Y'all can do the same thing when y'all get to high school. Just sign up for Area 31. And y'all got it together. I have to go do my sanitation, which is wipe off the mirrors. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to put my clothes on. And then it's going to be time for us to get on the place and go to school. But I don't got school with her because she go to a different school. Okay, y'all, so... Oh, why do I always start mine like that, too? Okay, I got light blue 2-piece from Shein. Then I got Gucci purse, Gucci, and then leg warmers, because, you know, it's winter, so you gotta look in the winter.
Yeah, y'all. That's how I'm gonna do it. Me and Layla's gonna have to separate soon.
I know, she goes to a different school.
I know. Going from one different school to like, oh, that's
Elena. And then Bluetooth piece, jewelry. I left my Apple Watch and my bracelet at home.
Let me see.
We're just gonna put on my little mini perfume. You want some? Did you?
Rich bitch. So we already aren't. Oh.
Yeah, I might go to a game today. That might be a move. It's only Wednesday, but
Wait, this smells so good. We earned 7 credits.
I'm gonna ask my mama if I can go to this game. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a little school vlog so y'all can see what I do. But I literally be so to myself in school. Y'all don't understand. I be going straight to class. But this compared to freshman year, I used to be in the hallways making TikToks with a whole big group of friends, which you know. Never stay. Always fall out with all your friends. You think your friends in high school, you always fall out with all them weird. But that'd be good because that be God telling you that they not your friends. I come here and can do vlogs and stuff, and people just mind their business because it's not your business what I'm doing. Right? If I'm doing a vlog, it's about how's that bothering you? If that's bothering you, then get out. Get my pictures. I look cute. I should be like,
And once you have your food, please.
say you up here talking and stuff. Oh, I needed more light.
Oh, you can sit right there. Let's get over.
No, get right there. Get right there. I'm not finna sit. I'm not finna touch your elbows with nobody I don't know. So you can just sit right there. No, I was just kidding. Just sit right there. You're making it weird like we don't want to sit by there. Okay, well, you sit on the floor. Okay. Say hi to Kaya.
Okay, but anyways,
Okay, finish the tea
text him
because
and be like,
finish it.
I just said you got to stay.
Told him what he got, what you know about what he got. Y'all, look at Janila, period, her white self. When Chicago got white, period. When Chicago got white, I forgot she lived. She be down there.
My blood got me.
Did it? Okay, so y'all see the picture. Period. Hold on, get my fit, get my fit.
Look at your outfit. What you got? Period.
That's why y'all better keep me gas.
Oh, okay. I literally just went back to the teacher class I was in. I was like, that's my favorite. And got a pass from her because I ain't had no pass. It's going to be like 20 minutes late, so I have to get this. Y'all, I love Mr. King class. He's so cool. We be learning stuff in here for real, but
We could do more stuff with numerical.
wait, yeah, we need to do our work.
First one is category.
Categories.
You not saying it right, and you finna be category. You sound like you got a burp and the hiccups at the same time.
Say category.
Say y'all. CATEG.
Okay. Question.
You know, the way that's not going on nothing is crazy. Put your thing right here so you can say flag.
Probably be reviewing that day anyways, but it's gonna really close to. They'll either be review or they'll be doing some hours like that's it.